Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to change your Hostinger email password. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then from this left sidebar, click on Emails. Now click on this Manage button next to your website. Go to Email Accounts from the left. Now scroll down a little bit to see your email accounts. Then click on these three dots next to the email account you have or you need or you want to change the password for. Select Change Password. A new window pops up. Now fill in the new password here, and if you want to see it as you type it, just click on this little eye icon. And if you want to generate a password for you, you can click on this 3 stars icon. So let's go with this simple password, Hostinger 123 at. Now let's copy this password to not forget it and hit this update button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's try to log in to the same Hostinger email account using the new created password. This is the email address, benstutorial.com, and this is the password I've just created, and hit login. As you see, I was able to log in to the same email account or Hostinger email account using the new password. And this is how to change your Hostinger email password. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.